Adding rinse aid. Adding the rinse aid. Rinse aid icon. This icon eliminates when the rinse aid level is low. The LED automatically shuts off when the rinse aid is refilled or the level is set to 0. Open the rinse aid lid by lifting up the flap. Add a liquid rinse aid to the maximum fill level. The rinse aid should be allowed to settle in the dispenser while filling. Pour the rinse aid into the dispenser. Lift the door slightly. Repeat these steps for fill. Avoid overfilling and let the rinse aid settle as to avoid air bubbles. Wipe off any spilled rinse aid to prevent suds. Close the lid to lock the dispenser. Rinse aid is dispensed automatically during the final rinse cycle. Setting the rinse aid level. Ensure the dishwasher is off. Press power and dual zone simultaneously to check the current setting. Press delay start to change the rinse aid dispenser setting. Each press of the button changes the setting from L0, which is off, all the way up to L4. The dispenser has 5 adjustment levels. The dishwasher is programmed at the factory for a rinse aid dispenser level of 2, L2. Rinse aid refill cycle may vary on the rinse aid refill amount and setting level. Once the desired rinse aid dispenser setting is selected, press Start to save.